Hello and welcome back to another Tech Guru video. So in today's video, we are in Skype and I'm going to be showing you guys how to adjust and change your Skype audio and video settings. So a lot of times you may be getting an error within Skype, whether your audio's messed up, your video camera, webcam's messed up. So in order to adjust and set your audio and video settings, open up Skype, go and click on Skype here, or if you're on a Windows, go to File, and then go to where you see audio video settings. So it's not actually under preferences. If you go to audio and video settings, it's going to bring this tab up here. You're going to see the first option there, which is going to be your microphone. So underneath microphone here, click the drop down menu and choose or select the microphone that you want to use. For me, it is my audio interface, which is my Scarlett 2i2 USB audio interface. For you, it may be your webcam, your Blue Yeti microphone, whatever it may be. And then again, you can select this slider here if you want to automatically adjust microphone settings. So if we turn that off there, it's not going to allow us to automatically adjust the microphone settings. Now, underneath the speakers, this is going to be basically your monitor. This is where you can output what's going on within Skype. For me, I set it to my audio interface where I have my headphones plugged into, and then you can adjust the volume directly within Skype here. If it's a little loud or a little soft, you can adjust that from the volume slider underneath the speakers here. And then you're going to see video. You're going to see the camera options here. As you can see myself right here, the camera of choice for me is the C922, which is my webcam here. So again, if you have multiple options, you can choose the one here. Now, once you've chosen what you like here, basically you don't have to save anything. Just hit the X or the escape thing here in the corner of the audio video settings. And then now when you call someone or video chat with someone, these will be the settings. Now, if you want to test this before you call someone, you can make a free test call here, record a couple of seconds of audio and video. And if you hear and see yourself being played back, you know that you've done it right. So if you have any questions, put those in the comments section down below. If not, don't forget to subscribe for more great tech content just like this. And guys, until next time, talk to you later.